Hi friends, this video shows how to give install unknown apps permission to Firefox browser. Open settings, tap on the settings app icon, then go down, then tap on more settings, then tap on permission management, then tap on install unknown apps. Here you can see list of apps. From this list we need to find Firefox. So here you can see Firefox, tap on Firefox. Then we need to tap here to allow unknown apps to be installed. So now I enabled unknown apps permission, install unknown apps permission for Firefox browser. So now we can, using Firefox browser, we can download unknown Android APK files and install it without any restrictions. So if you want to disable this option, this permission for Firefox, you can tap here and disable it. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video.